Good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you're listening, you're watching this video. My name is Ralph Valentino. I'm a linguist and language instructor, interpreter, and certified translator. Today we're going to be learning Haitian Creole. I have a couple of things on the board for you guys that I'm going to be teaching you in Haitian Creole. Remember the course that we did last week on the YouTube channel about the subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. Let's go ahead and just learn a little bit about Haitian Creole. Subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. So what are the subject pronouns in Haitian Creole? Remember, the first one is that's the first one. Moi, moi. The second one is ou, ou. The third one is li, li. You can use li for both masculine and feminine, either male or female. And after that, you have the first plural subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. It is nous, nous. And the second plural subject pronoun in Haitian Creole is nous, nous. And the last one, the last but not least, subject pronoun in Haitian Creole is yo. Read after me. Moi, ou, li, nous, nous, yo. These are the subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. Subject pronouns, you use them whenever you are communicating, and then while you're communicating with someone and you're using these pronouns to present yourself, okay, others. They are the one who are going to perform an action, okay? Thus, it is subject pronouns. These are the subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. Moi, ou, li, nous, nous, yo. Okay? So, the short form for moi, we're gonna get to the short form. Moi is M, okay? Ou is W, li is L, no, N, no again, N, and yo is Y. Basically, that's the short form for the subject pronouns in Haitian Creole. So that's it for today, guys. We learned subject pronouns in Haitian Creole, okay? And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video. Depending on where you're listening, you're watching us. My name is Ralph Valentino. Thanks for stopping by and learn Haitian Creole with us. Have a nice one. Bye bye.